JourneyTogether for the final demo presentation. In order to make our app function, we need to have some couple trips to be posted first. Let's start to log in as a user and post a trip. Let's go to the profile first. And also, if I want to change it to a new driver license. Yeah, so it's require a correct format. And it's changed. And also we can view our vehicle information. So right now the vehicle information is the brand, the color, and the year. And we can also start to change it. And now we can start to post a trip. So I'll do from Waterloo to Toronto. Available C 20. Depart at Friday at noon. And arrive at same day, maybe 2 o'clock. Okay, now we post a trip. Let's switch to the user side to look at the trip.
Okay, I will demonstrate our user side. So we first sign out from the driver side and let's go to the user side. Since we didn't demonstrate the registration for the driver side, I will demonstrate the registration for the user. Let's try logging with the account I just registered. Okay, now we log in as the user. User also has the profile edit options. I will not demonstrate it. And for the cat pool, as we can see, cat pool list with the departure address, location, destination address, the cost, the time it departures, and the estimated arrival time. It also shows how many seats are available. And we can see this is the one the driver just posted. And we also can see here, there's 2/4 seats available. It means someone has already requested 2 seats, so there's only 2 seats left. And we can see a little star at the bottom. By clicking this, I have saved this trip to my collected trips, and I will be able to find it here. Now my colleague will show us the search function.
Here I'm going to show the search function as a user. Here, if I want to from university as my start point, and I want to go Toronto. And this red warning is to give user information when they pick up an address. And I want to go should be Friday 2 p.m. I can search this trip roadless post from 12 to 2 p.m. And you can see if I collect this trip before, the star is filled with yellow. See, I want to send a request to this one, and I need 2 seats. I want to share my number, and I can also give the pickup address to the driver. So I can send a request. Now I can pass to batch to demonstrate the driver side.
Okay, so here we can see the request that has a pending status. Now, if I want to try to send a request again, I believe it's this one. We don't allow the user to send multiple requests to the same trip. So here is the error message. So now I'm going to go to the driver that we just logged in as. Okay, so this is the trip that we created. And if I click here, we can see that there's one request that has just been created. We can't see the phone of the passenger because we have not accepted or rejected it. And on the top here, we show all the information of the trip. And in the bottom, there will be the list of requests. So now if I click accept, we can see that the phone is shown here. The status is updated, and the passenger is added to the list, and also the seat is updated. Now I'm gonna go back to the user. Yeah, and you can see the request has been accepted. I'm gonna pass it on to Kevin to talk about the technical challenges that we face during the development of the app.
In an application, we need to make use of several design patterns and architectures in order to address the many changes in an application. For example, Firestore offers no ORM library, meaning we have to create a custom object relational model solution for the application. You want to translate different objects, such as you can see here, such as trip requests, users. You want to translate objects into database entries on Firestore. Many of these capabilities are encapsulated in the Firestore collection class, which opens up an API that is similar to the factory design pattern. The class acts like a singleton for each object, which is stored as a Firestore member in each of these schema classes. And it makes sure that there is no duplicate data anywhere in the app, and it allows every client of these data to always have the most up-to-date information that they can use.
Hi everyone, my name is Lance, and I'm going to show you the improved feature of our application. Our GPS location, which shows on the map, it refreshes every 5 seconds, and for our text speech, we refresh every 20 seconds. If you run on the backend, it should also report.
Technology part.
Yes. From here, I think I will just do a brief one, from here to Columbia Street. Video application, I think it gives the driver I think a more direct or obvious view of where you are currently at. So let's say we're here, the exact GPS location. Yeah, I think that's all of the testing for our application. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, and feel free to provide any feedback. Yeah, thank you.